all the Arizona protesters and cop watchers out there, this is a must watch. Phoenix PD, Mesa PD, they're coming after us full force, lying on their forms. If you get arrested, make sure you check what they put on their reports. You can FOIA request it. Very, very important, guys. Listen to this.
By Phoenix police. The protester is Suvarna Ratnam, and we'll be showing this video a few times in this story because it further shows Phoenix officers cannot be trusted in these protest cases. Right now, Suvarna's case is the last Phoenix case that's left. The rest of them, more than a in total.
Their video's a little messed up.
Our politically charged investigation.
ABC 15 exposed the cases were filled with bogus gang charges, wild exaggerations, and lies. And tonight, ABC 15 investigator Dave Biskobing is about to show us this last case has some of the same issues.
The arrest happened at this street corner near this lamp post, and even though the case is still active, the Maricopa County Attorney's Office is now admitting parts of what Phoenix police claim happened didn't happen. You better stop.
She's trying to move
Before Phoenix officers tackled
to get around the officers.
Felonies. Here's what police say happened, and pay attention. Suvarna, quote, took a water bottle and threw it. Then while running away, she took the umbrella in her hand and started to swing it back and forth with force while running toward the police sergeant. Then leveled the umbrella toward the police sergeant and used it as a weapon to stab him in the hand. Now watch the video at half speed. Remember, police claim Suvarna ran towards officers swinging the umbrella with force, then leveled it to use it as a weapon to stab them. Police also wrote, the umbrella that was used as a weapon has a 3-inch sharpened metal tip on it that struck the police sergeant with such force that it bent the metal of the umbrella. Here's a picture of that umbrella tip for police evidence. What do you say about those allegations?
That's absolutely ludicrous. I was holding on to a dollar store umbrella with a plastic tip that I think is impossible to sharpen, and outside of that, I don't know why somebody would sharpen an umbrella to begin with.
We spoke to Suvarna and her attorney, Ken Countryman.
The conduct of the law enforcement in this case is just, it's outrageous.
Yeah, it's reprehensible.
For the umbrella, Suvarna was charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. That's a Class 2 felony. The only charge that's higher is murder.
And
The
whole
only
profile
charge
of Sue
higher
been just
is murder.
outrageous and untrue, and they need to dismiss this case. They need to stop targeting her, stop harassing her.
There's more problems with the evidence in the August case, but before we get to that, Suvarna was also arrested as part of a group on October 17th. It was maybe the most notorious of the protest cases. Phoenix police and county prosecutors charged this umbrella-carrying huddle as a criminal street gang. Officials even testified they were as dangerous as the Bloods, the Crips, and the Hells Angels. After the October arrest, prosecutor April Sponsel tried to convince a judge to keep Suvarna locked up without bond until trial.
And frankly, she is a threat to our community. She's a threat to the officers out there in the street. She's a threat to regular, normal members of the community. She had, in a previous occasion, where she had an umbrella with a sharpened tip on it, sliced the hand of a Phoenix police officer.
Now, she has not been convicted of that.
Of that offense, she was found with bomb-making materials, i.e. acetone, rags, lighters, things that are available for making Molotov cocktails in her
Fucking
possession.
lies.
The judge didn't buy it, and Suvarna was released.
There's nothing further. Thank you, everyone, for your time.
She did not sharpen an umbrella. She did not have acetone. She did not put any kind of substance in a bottle. They've accused her of throwing incendiary devices, which weren't incendiary devices.
In police reports, officers documented they found acetone, or nail polish remover, in Suvarna's backpack. But they wrote it was discarded and are unable to identify which supervisor gave the order. Officers also
Discarded.
wrote Phoenix's crime lab does not have the capabilities to test the water bottle.
And if they thought she had something, they wouldn't have destroyed it. So that's just false.
And they
Initial
don't know who did it.
prosecutor, April Sponsel, is off the case. She was removed, placed on leave, and put under investigation after our investigation broke. And given the new issues in the cases, the new prosecutor filed this motion to reduce the charges against Suvarna. First, to take the water bottle charge from a felony aggravated assault down to a misdemeanor disorderly conduct charge. And next,
There was
when it
no
comes to the
water
umbrella,
bottle.
the new prosecutor wrote, the metal tip does not appear to have been modified or made sharper than its original condition. And after considering the totality of the evidence, the state submits that it's appropriate to reduce the level of the aggravated assault on that count too.
I just don't know why we're still here, but we're standing here, and we're going to proceed this all the way through.
Good.
You ready to go to trial? She's not pleading to anything that she didn't do, and she didn't do
Exactly.
anything.
Now, we reached out to Phoenix PD for comment, and in an email, they told us that the contents of the water bottle were, quote, not relevant at the time of the arrest. Now, we also asked about the officers' claims about the umbrella and if they had any additional video evidence to show that their officers were telling the truth about the alleged stabbing or the thrown water bottle. But Phoenix ignored those questions altogether. I'm investigator Dave Biskobing, ABC 15, Arizona.
That's it, guys.
Right
We
now, video of a
have
protester
to
being
watch
tackled
our
in a-
asses. We must watch our asses. These cops are coming after us full force. Tempe against police violence. Arizona auditor. Direct D. MCW. All you guys, you got to watch your backs. If you're arrested, make sure you check. FOIA request the report that the officers turn in. They're lying. We have to cover our asses, guys. Spitting Cobra, bringing it to you real. I'm out.